Well, good morning, everybody. We slept in so hard. It was very much needed after the last couple days, but we have a 2-bedroom suite here at Old Key West, and it's a little bit different than if you've ever stayed in a 2-bedroom at any of the other Disney resorts. So let's go. This room in particular is actually a dedicated 2-bedroom suite, which makes it a little bit unique and honestly kind of fun. So obviously, front door. And the first thing we have is a little storage closet if you need any cleaning supplies during your stay. And then we'll go here. We've got a little mirror and a little tabletop thing for your bits and your bobs when you come back from a park day.
I have lots of bits and bobs.
And then it opens up into this absolutely massive living room. And this is one of the things that I love about Old Key West is the rooms are just extra big compared to some of the others. So we've got a nice little chair here, a couch, and a love seat. And what's also cool is the couch can fold out into a bed and this chair can fold out to a bed. So it can sleep 3 people in the living room in addition to the 2 bedrooms. We've got a Hey Disney thing. It's the new
fancy Alexa meets Disney device.
We've never really played much with it, but it's kind of cool to have one. Also, I just really love the lamp with the little beach chair, Hidden Mickey. It's one of my favorites. We have a huge dedicated dining room and like bar area. So if you are the kind of family that you like to bring a lot of food or bring a lot of snacks, there's a lot of prep area that can just go away and you don't have to take up like
all of the counter
space and whatnot. Obviously, this is standard with any 1 or 2 bedroom as you have a full kitchen. The studios will only have a kitchenette, but this can be really nice again if you like to cook things. They come with plates, cookware, all that kind of stuff.
Most importantly, a coffee maker.
Yes, yeah. Coffee maker.
Just drip. No espresso machine. We're not that fancy, but.
No, but these also, instead of the Keurigs, have the normal, just like pot coffee. And I think part of that is because it's bigger, so they anticipate more people being here, and that's just a bit more convenient. I also really like this space. So on the other side of this is the TV, but this is the back side. And it's a great little area for, again, storage. But I really like it because there's 2 outlets, and each of the outlets also has 2 USB ports. So this can basically become like the charging station for your stay. And that's very helpful, especially for people like us where we have, you know, not only our phones and Magic Band Pluses, but we also have camera gear and extra stuff. So that's super handy. So we'll go this way first. Another standard feature with the 1 and 2 bedrooms is you have laundry, which is incredibly helpful, especially on longer trips because you don't have to pack as much. If you're trying to like keep your luggage light, you can just do laundry halfway through your stay. And it's nice because they usually give you at least a little bit of detergent and stuff to go along with it. And this will really help us out because we're doing, 3 days here in Orlando. We ran yesterday, we're doing a park day today, but then we're gonna board a cruise for 5 days. So it'll be nice to do some laundry tonight before we go and board our cruise. That way we don't have to lug around dirty laundry with us for like a whole 9 days. And then in this particular floor plan, this part actually comes through to the bathroom. So this is part of what's normally like the 1 bedroom kind of suite. So this is like the master almost. So we have a huge vanity and sink area, as well as a very nice shower. It's got like the rain head shower and a little like handheld shower head, I guess you would call it. Very nice. And then this part of the bathroom also has the toilet, but then you step through here and you have another door with a full-length mirror on the back, but then you have another sink vanity area for getting ready, so you can have 2 separate areas for that. Great if you have a bigger family, especially if you have a lot of girls in your party getting ready and stuff. And then this jacuzzi of a bathtub.
Literally has jets.
I don't even have words. This bathtub is enormous, and I did take a bath last night and it was Very, very nice. Do have a closet here, extra pillows and blankets, and if you need to hang anything up.
Also, you got your safe down there as well.
Oh yeah, I almost missed that. Oh,
Kind of
it
nice
has
that
a
it's a
key.
key. A little old school.
I don't know, I kind of like that. That's
I do
pretty
too.
cool.
Don't have to remember a code.
I know. Always forgetting things. Okay, and then again, this is the, if you want to call it kind of the master bedroom, or this would be like your normal 1-bedroom floor plan. We have a king size bed, kind of your standard side tables, a little dresser kind of area. We actually didn't unpack this trip because we were only going to be here for 1 day, so we're kind of just living out of the suitcase thing. But I'm curious, let me know, is it weird, like do you find it weird to unpack on vacation? Because when I first got married, my husband was like,
What are you doing?
what are you doing? That's so weird, because we went on vacation and I started putting things in drawers and he was like, what are you doing? And I was like, I'm unpacking. And he had like never heard of that. Like his family wasn't an unpack on vacation kind of family. My family is. So I'm curious if that's like, if we're the weird ones or
If I'm the weird
if
one.
you're the weird one. Just let me know. I'm curious. Alright, and then how does this work?
5 hours later.
Okay. And out here, we have this very nice deck. Again, it's
Very spacious.
large, very spacious. We are on the ground floor here, so we might have, I think I've seen some lizards, a few little creatures, but it's nice. We have a little bit of a water view out here, and then you can kind of see the golf course a little bit to the other side.
Some people out having some fun.
But
As you know, you want to do on vacation. As a important reminder, there are always alligators and snakes possibly out on the loose.
it's Florida, so.
Welcome to Florida.
Yeah. It is locked, so we're not going to go through here right now, but this also opens back up into the living room, so you have 2 entrances out to the porch, which is very nice. We might enjoy some coffee out here tomorrow before we leave.
Would be nice.
Don't want any alligators getting in. So. Now on to the second bedroom.
But wait, there's more.
They have a little table area. This one has 2 queen beds instead of a king. A nice little bathroom, so they've got a little closet space themselves, but they still have double vanities. So there's one vanity out here with the sink that's just for like getting ready and stuff, and then they have another one in here with the toilet and then a shower tub combo. Now, like I said, normally if this was another resort style with the studio and 1 bedroom, then over here is where you would have the door that would lead to the outside. But since this is a dedicated 2 bedroom, this is where they have just another closet for them. And then the other thing is, again, because this is just a 2nd bedroom, they don't have a kitchenette in here. It's just the full kitchen outside. But honestly, this has been really cool to have and kind of see what this has been like. And honestly, I think I really like it, especially if you have like a bigger party and you want to like kind of keep everybody together. A 2 bedroom at Old Key West might be worth looking at.